twist. So it's Juliana Palencia, aka Jujubee. And in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how I did these mini twists, which is an amazing protective style for the summertime because I have not felt like doing my hair. I completely stopped washing those for like the past few months. Haven't done them, so I wanted to do something that I could do myself, which was easy to do, and also that would keep my hair protected in a way so I don't have to style it every day. So I'm so excited because I used Briogeo's brand new avocado and kiwi mega moisture 3-in-1 leave-in spray for these twists, which made my hair so soft and hydrated. It's like a smoothie for your hair, and Briogeo is today's partner. They are a clean and natural hair care brand that I have been using for years. I absolutely love them, and I use their deep conditioners all the time. So make sure you check out the link in the description box below where you can find this 3-in-1 leave-in conditioner, and also you can find it at Sephora. Before we get started in the video, I want you guys to guess how many twists I have in my hair. I just counted, so I already know the number, but I want you guys to guess. How many? So I hope you guys enjoy the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you like it and leave a comment down below. And let's get into the video. To deep condition, I use the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Mask. I've been using it for years now. Purchased it with my own money. I love Briogeo. They are today's sponsor. This isn't part of it. This is just something that I use every wash day. And it has helped my hair out so much. And now I'm gonna wash it out with cool water. And I don't want my hair dripping wet, so I'm just gonna towel dry it a little bit. Now I'm going to part my hair. So to do this, I'm going to first start by spraying in a leave-in spray. This is what I'm gonna be using today. It's not gonna weigh my hair down because I tried to do mini twists before. It looked good, but the twists were really flat. Oh, no. Last time I used a really thick, heavy cream and thick, heavy gels, and I'm not doing that this time. So now it's on to parting. This is what we have going on. I think I have 11 sections. I don't know, we might end up with 11 sections on this side, we might not. I'm parting my hair, but just so y'all know, I know a lot of people are super into really straight parts. I know I don't have the skills for that. A lot of people are like, geometry was my favorite class. Geometry was not my favorite class, so my parts are gonna be really crappy. Well, not really crappy, they're just not gonna be brick straight. It's more so just trying to section and put them in smaller workable sections. So now I have fully sectioned my hair. I feel like this is going to make the twisting process so much easier because all I have to do is take out a section, split it up, and work on that. So again, I'm going to use my Briogeo 3-in-1 leave-in spray. So the 3 things that it does is detangles, hydrates, and protects the hair. It has avocado, chia oil, and cocoa seed butter. On top of that, I know summer and springtime is coming up. I'm going to Costa Rica next month, and I'm definitely going to be bringing this with me because it also protects against the drying and damaging effects of the sun's UV rays. Oh no! Which is very important. I put sunscreen on my face, sunscreen on my body, so I definitely want to protect my hair. This is a definite need on those beach days and where you're going to be out in the sun all day to help protect your hair because your hair actually can get damaged from the sun's UV rays. And now it's on to twisting. Here we go. I'm going to spread this over my hair. Again, you don't want to use super heavy products. You want to keep it pretty lightweight. And then I'm going to twist my hair, checking that it's an even section, because one rule when you're doing small twists is that you do not want to borrow hair. So for example, if I run out of hair on this section, I don't want to split it and give it to this section because it's going to make taking it out absolutely miserable. Here's my first twist, and now moving on to the second twist. And I'm just doing regular 2-strand twists. To be honest, I thought about doing 3-strand twists, but I was like, that's gonna take so long. So I continue to do my hair off camera, and let me show you what I've had done in 3 hours. So Here is my hair. Here's the twist. This is all I have left. This one over here and this top portion. So I'm going to be taking some gel here. You can use anything like a butter, a pomade. Mostly I'm going to recommend something that's a bit of a stickier hold. And I'm going to focus that on the roots and then take a little bit more and rub that on the middle and ends. You don't want a lot of this because you don't want it to weigh your hair down. You just want something that's gonna give you a bit of hold and shine, because guys, look how shiny and juicy these twists are. Once I get to the bottom of the twist, I just add some gel. And that just makes sure that my ends are frizz-free and stay in place. When I'm done, it's gonna look really stretched out and straight, but as you can see, they all kind of fluff. For the twist in the front, only the ones like surrounding the perimeter of my face, I'm going to do a 3-strand braid just to keep it looking real snug and tight. I probably just do that 1/4 of an inch and then I just take the rest and twist down. You don't have to do that, but it just makes it look neater at the front and smoother and tighter, because my twists get real loose. Like as soon as I'm done twisting it, as soon as I let go, it's very loose, which is great because it's a low tension protective style. This is very, very low tension, does not hurt my scalp at all. So here is my hair the next day. This is the finished results. As you guys can see, I did my edges too. As I always have to do, I had to do it. So this style took me 3 hours and 47 minutes to do, just to twist. I didn't count the parts, but honestly, I don't think the parting is necessary. It just helps to make things like a bit neater and more organized. So 3 hours and 47 minutes just to do the twist. And for the amount of twists I have in my hair, it is 152 twists in my hair.
Whoa.
I didn't even realize that I did that many, but I guess I did. It's a lot in here. So I'm really excited to see how it will fluff up over the next few days and how it will look. Hopefully this is one of those styles that as it goes on, like the frizzier it gets, the better it looks. I don't know, we'll see. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. It means so much to me. Make sure you check out the link in the description box below for Briogeo's new 3-in-1 leave-in spray, which you can find at Sephora. I hope you guys have a great day, a great week, and a great summer. Bye guys.